Okay. Good morning to everyone. My name is discuss about the topic named as coordination test. First, we want to know about what is the coordination chemistry. Coordination chemistry means the chemistry of coordination compounds. The chemistry of coordination compounds. So, in this again, what is the meaning of coordination compounds? Coordination compounds means the compounds which form coordination bond. The compounds which form coordination bond. Coordination bond means in this bonds are total three types will be chemical bond. These chemical bonds are covalent bond, coordinate covalent bond, and ionic bond. Coordination bond means here two atoms will be there. One atom can give the electrons, and another atom have the empty orbitals. These electrons were given to this one. Due to that, the bond formed is called as coordination bond. Now, how these coordination compounds came? First, I want to give some introduction for this. First, we want to take the addition compounds. These addition compounds can be divided into two. What are those? The first one is called as double salts, and the second one is called as coordination compounds. First, we want to go for the addition compounds. What is the meaning of addition compounds? Addition compounds means so by mixing two or more simple salts. By mixing two or more simple salts in particular ratio. By mixing two or more simple salts in particular ratio. For example, potassium chloride and as well as magnesium chloride. By adding 6 moles of water, I will get the compound KCl, MgCl2, 6H2. So, like this, by mixing any two simple salts in particular ratio, we will get the compounds. And these compounds again put in water. For example, the compound I take KCl, MgCl2, 6H2. When it is put in water, immediately it will divide it into ions. So, whenever it is divided into ions means starting this KCl, MgCl2, 6H2. This is called as carbonate. This is having some properties. Whenever it is put in water, it lost the properties. That means double salts, the main information is it can lose their identity. And in the same way, opposite coordination compounds means, for example, I want to take copper sulfate and reaction with iron. So then FeCuSO4, like the coordination compound form. But when they are put in water, it cannot be divided into individual ions. So here cannot divide it into individual ions. The meaning is coordination compounds cannot lose the identity, and so double salts can lose the identity. Now we want to go for the coordination compounds. What are the terminology we want to discuss? In this coordination compounds, the first we want to know about complex ion. Next we want to go for the coordination sphere. Next one is ligand. Next one is central metal atom. And fifth one is coordination member. And the sixth one is oxidation. Now we discuss about the complex ion. Complex ion means, so it must be represented in the square bracket having the general formula MLN X plus or minus. Here M means what? M is called as central metal atom. Here what is the meaning of L? L is called as like N. This N indicates coordination number. And here X indicates charge on complex ion. Depending upon the charge present on the complex ion, these are again divided into three types. What are those? The first one is positive complex ion. Second one is negative complex ion. Third one is neutral complex ion. Positive complex ion, negative complex ion, neutral complex ion. Positive complex ion means the charge present on the square bracket is positive. Due to the positive complex ion, it is also called as cationic complex. In the same way, negative complex means the charge present on the square bracket is minus, then it is called as negative complex ion. Next, neutral complex. Neutral complex means there is no charge present on the central metal. Present on the complex ion. This is cation, this is anion, and it is neutral.